Hey, Guy Cochran here today. In a previous version, we showed how we can fold one of these in half, and that was kind of the burrito in half model. There's another way. Let's try the driving the bus way. Picture you're driving a big bus, and now you're going to put this hand on the outside, and you're going to twist. And again, you're back to your bus position and you're driving the bus again. But now that you're here, you're going to take the opposite hand and come over the top like this. And that should make it want to curl back into itself. Let's do it one more time. Driving the bus. One hand is going to go over the top, and it can be your left or your right, doesn't matter. Over the top to the front, and we're going to twist. That gives us the figure 8, and then take the hand that you didn't start with on the outside and move it over the top and fold it up, and that's it. Hope that helps you guys. Enjoy this one and catch you on the next one.